Welcome back to Night Rain Chinese. It's Mia. Today I'll simply take you for a walk with me. Let's see what evening is like in Yangtze River Delta region in China in plum rain season. Let's go. First, let's just see some magnificent sunset time clouds. Combination of gold, medium dark blue, white, and gray. Now it's a little past 7 p.m. Temperature, I just checked the app, 29 degrees. The highest temperature of today was 31. Basically all day raining the first half of the day from, don't remember, maybe 4 a.m. early morning. Really heavy downpour started. They continued for quite a while, I think, the whole morning time. Then in the late afternoon, the rain stopped. Now, air is pretty fresh outside. The temperature, as I said, didn't drop too much. Still kind of feel like humidity. Okay, this is from another perspective. Very tender clouds. You can actually see a little bit of pink permeating through the white. And birds flying. And the reflection in the river. Cicadas. During the sunset, the cloudscape is changing every second. Now it's getting a bit more orangey than 5 minutes ago. This under part, pink orangey. Vitality is showing, taking over that goldenness a while ago. Back here, you see the pinkness slowly faded away. Also the whiteness. Now you can see only some gray blue light shade over the sky. I live in a city at the mouth of Yangtze River, and people here are very used to this plum rain season. But this year it kind of hit differently. The rain is just heavier. I think if it continues, I would say the season will be longer than average. Don't know yet. We'll see. Oh, let's see. Cloudscape changed again. I'm gonna show it right now. Oh, another square dance group. Okay, I'm walking closer to cloudscape. Let's see. It's already different than like 30 seconds ago when I wanted to show you, because I could see rose color, rosy, pink, red color. But now I faded away a little bit into a soft orange again. And the gray clouds here it feels very surreal. These clouds look so fluffy and soft. Almost edible. They're really enjoying themselves. It's always nice to see square dancing. This is kind of scary. I thought it's almost dried rain stains, but actually not dried yet. With the light you can see some soilish thing, and it has a depth. A little bit, but I just stepped onto that and almost tripped over, but didn't. Be careful. I keep on walking, but now with what I see, I almost feel like I'm playing a kind of game of crossing. Oh no, I'm already in the water. I need to step back and choose another path better. But since I already came here, I decided to film something of this real-life adventure game or 3,000 meters hurdle game world championship. Oh, Yangtze River Delta Championship, I guess. And I'm the champion because I'm the only one here. Okay, I have left that racing area. Now back on a normal path. Let's call it a lucky day for me because I didn't trip over. It was so close. Leave a comment and let me know what do you think of this kind of walking videos and what do you like to see in the future. If you're first time here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. This is Nightwind Chinese. I'm Mia. I'll see you only next one. Bye-bye.